Dear learners, welcome to this presentation on Introduction to Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry. Myself, Raj Dangi, Assistant Professor, Anasab Dangi College of D Pharmacy, Ashta. After watching this video, you will be able to understand the basic pharmaceutical chemistry, brief idea about pharmaceutical organic chemistry with respect to curriculum and overall aspect of chemistry, to know the importance of pharmaceutical chemistry in various areas and scope of pharmaceutical chemistry. Now let us see what is organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the study of carbon and carbon compounds. Organic compounds are the primary constituents of all living organisms. Now draw an electron dot diagram of carbon. As we see here, carbon is able to form 4 covalent bonds with other carbon or other elements. Now the characteristics of organic compounds, they are non-polar compounds. They do not dissolve in polar solvents like water. As we see here, remember the rule, likes dissolve likes. They have low melting points due to weak intermolecular forces. As we see this in the structure, they react slower than ionic compounds due to strong covalent bonds between atoms. Structural formulas. A 2D model shows bonding patterns and shapes of molecules. Carbon is found in the center. The short line represents a pair of electrons. Draw the structures for each organic. Methane CH4, chloroform CHL3 and ethane C2H6. As we see these structures, remember types of bond, single covalent bond in which they share one pair of electrons, as we see this in this structure. Double bond, carbon atoms may share 2 pairs of electrons to form a double bond, as we see this in this structure. Triple bond, carbon atoms may share 3 pairs of electrons to form a triple bond. As we see this in this structure. Types of compounds, saturated compound, organic compounds in which carbon atoms are bonded by single bonds. Example, methane CH4. See the structure of methane CH4. Types of compounds, unsaturated compound, compounds where carbon atoms have double or triple bonds. Example, ethene C2H4. As we see the structure of ethene C2 and H4. Homologous series of hydrocarbons. Organic compounds can be classified into groups with related structures and properties. As size of molecule increases, the boiling and freezing point increases. Hydrocarbons are organic compounds that consist of only carbon and hydrogen atoms, as we see this in the structure. Now let us see, these are the base names, prefix and length of carbon chain. For example, meth prefix length of carbon chain is 1, and these are the examples of some of the base names. Thank you for your patience listening. Happy learning. Thank you.